The best meal to improve blood flow to legs, feet. Let's discuss the best meal you can eat to improve blood flow to your legs and feet. These foods have been scientifically proven to increase blood circulation by dilating your blood vessels and lowering inflammation. If you feel low in energy, have high blood pressure, or experience discomfort in your legs, pay close attention to this video. We'll also share a simple solution to boost your blood flow and oxygen levels in just 20 minutes. But first, let's talk about why good blood flow is important. Why good blood flow is important. Your heart works tirelessly to pump blood throughout your body. This blood carries vital oxygen and nutrients to your body's cells, ensuring they function optimally. Now, consider your legs and feet. They're the farthest from your heart and the last to receive this oxygen and nutrient-rich blood. These areas can suffer the most if your blood flow isn't great. You may start to feel pain, heaviness, and even swelling in your legs and feet. Nutrient-poor blood can cause your arteries to narrow, reducing blood flow to your legs. Over time, this can lead to nerve and tissue damage and the formation of blood clots. Conditions like peripheral artery disease, PAD, peripheral neuropathy, PN, and deep vein thrombosis, DVT, can develop. Next, let's delve into the foods you can choose for a meal that is tasty and improves your blood flow. Each of these foods is a powerhouse of nutrients that can jumpstart your circulation. Let's begin with our first star ingredient, wild salmon. Food number 1: wild salmon. This fatty fish plays a pivotal role in maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. Wild salmon is rich in omega-3, an essential type of fat. Since our bodies can't produce omega-3s on their own, we need to get them from our diet. Salmon is an excellent source of omega-3s, with wild salmon being better than farmed salmon for reasons we'll explain shortly. Why are omega-3s important? Our cell membranes need omega-3s, EPA and DHA, for our brain, eyes, and heart. Omega-3s help soothe chronic inflammation that can impair circulation. Inflammation narrows and hardens arteries, a condition known as atherosclerosis, hindering blood flow to your legs and feet. Omega-3s help keep inflammation in check, ensuring your arteries remain open and relaxed. This allows for strong contractions and smooth-flowing blood. Farmed salmon may be more budget-friendly and readily available, but it contains 6 times the amount of omega-6 compared to wild salmon. Omega-6 comes from farmed salmon's non-marine feed, leading to unwanted inflammation. If possible, opt for wild salmon to keep inflammation at bay. How nitric oxide is produced in your body. Now, let's understand how nitric oxide is produced in your body, as this molecule is essential for strong blood circulation and high oxygen levels. Imagine a process in your body that converts an amino acid, L-arginine, into nitric oxide. This process occurs in the endothelium and is boosted by omega-3s, increasing the amount of L-arginine that can be converted. So, what is the endothelium? It's a layer of cells lining your blood vessels, from major arteries in your heart and lungs to the smallest capillaries in your fingers, toes, eyes, and organs. The endothelium controls blood flow throughout your entire body, and nitric oxide is the signaling molecule that keeps it healthy. The endothelium can slow down as we age, and nitric oxide production decreases. Certain foods we discuss in this video can help your endothelium stay healthy. Nitric oxide is so crucial that your body has a backup plan for its production: dietary nitrates. Let's explore this process in the next food. Food number 2: arugula salad. Arugula, a cruciferous vegetable, forms the base of our salad. Cruciferous vegetables like arugula, broccoli, kale, and Brussels sprouts are known for their liver-loving properties. Compounds like sulforaphane in these vegetables support liver detoxification, which contributes to clean and smooth blood flow. Arugula is also a healthy source of nitrates, which are converted into nitrites by bacteria in your mouth and stomach. Nitrites are then converted into nitric oxide within your tissues and blood. Nitric oxide relaxes blood vessels, improving blood flow. Arugula is rich in potassium and magnesium, minerals that help the muscles in your blood vessel walls relax and contract properly. Try tossing your arugula salad with olive oil dressing and serving it with roasted beets, oranges, pecans, and feta cheese. Extra virgin olive oil, EVU, is rich in monounsaturated fats that can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation in your blood vessels. Another side dish you can add is kimchi. Food number 3: kimchi. Kimchi, a fermented vegetable similar to sauerkraut, is a superfood for heart health and circulation. Fermentation involves highly beneficial microbial species that deliver various benefits, including lower blood sugar, reduced inflammation, and the production of B vitamins. Kimchi can help improve your gut microbiome, enhancing nutrient assimilation and cardiovascular health. Kimchi is made from cabbage, onion, garlic, radish, chili pepper, and ginger, a powerful combination for strong blood flow. Animal studies suggest that kimchi may reduce inflammation and increase nitric oxide production in the endothelium. Kimchi contains ample amounts of vitamin C, beta-carotene, and vitamin K2. Vitamin C is crucial for repairing and replenishing collagen fibers needed for healthy artery walls. Vitamin K2 directs calcium to your bones, preventing artery calcification in your legs and heart. If you're not fond of spicy food or prefer an alternative, consider sauerkraut. Food number 4: fruits for improved circulation. Next, let's include certain fruits before or after your meal. Certain fruits are linked to improved circulation. Watermelon, for example, contains the antioxidant lycopene, associated with lower blood pressure. Watermelon also contains L-citrulline, which converts into arginine and increases nitric oxide production. Alternatively, enjoy a bowl of mixed berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. Berries are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that reduce inflammation in arteries, preventing circulatory issues. Pomegranate is also noteworthy. Studies suggest that it can help reverse plaque accumulation in the carotid arteries, benefiting individuals with peripheral artery disease. Lastly, conclude your meal with cinnamon. Food number 5: cinnamon. Imagine finishing your super meal and savoring a cup of tea with a dash of Ceylon cinnamon. Cinnamon is known for its blood sugar regulating properties, antiplatelet, and antithrombotic effects that prevent blood clots and improve circulation. Hawthorn tea is an alternative to cinnamon tea. Hawthorn berry has been used for centuries in Asia to support heart, circulatory, and respiratory health. Scientific research confirms its ability to protect endothelial cells, enhancing nitric oxide production for better blood flow. And there you have it. A super meal that enhances blood flow to your legs, feet, heart, and brain. At the same time, it's equally important to avoid foods that cause inflammation and blockage. At last, remember this video is educational and not a medical advice. Consult a healthcare provider for any health regimen changes.